All right, so here is everything I use on my window cleaning belt that helps me make over $100,000 a year. So you can see we got quite a bit going on. We'll start here from the right-hand side. So you'll see here that I have two squeegees and a scrubber. So I like to use a 14-inch scrubber. I do also carry on me a 18-inch in the truck. The 14-inch, I never really have any issues fitting it inside windows. Sometimes with the 18-inch, it's a little bit too big. And then I'll also keep two squeegees on me. A 14-incher, which is probably my most used, and then an 18-inch squeegee. So for this one, I have the Mormon Accelerator 2. I think this is the best squeegee handle. It's got, you could change the angle of it here. It swivels really good, so I could use it with a pole. And then this one is just the Etuar, I think it's called the Etuar Pro handle. And I have both Etuar brass channels. And then all this will go here in the bob, which stands for bucket on belt. So that would go like that, and then I'd have everything kind of in there ready to go. Next up here, I have my scraper. So you can see that's a scraper blade if I need to take off any concrete or anything. These are especially important when you're doing a post-construction clean, as there's lots of concrete and construction mess. So here I'll have one towel. These are the surgical towels. I'll usually keep this over my shoulder. Here I have my pouch. So I got a number of different little things in here. I got a water bottle that I'll fill with some cleaning solution. It just opens up like that, and I can just spray it on the window if I need to get more liquid. And then in my pouch, I'll also keep a quadruple zero fine steel wool, some extra blades for my scraper, a track brush, so if I need to wipe off the tracks or any dirt off the thing, and then I'll keep a couple extra surgical towels there. And then here on my belt, I got the Boss belt clip with the Squeegee Life towel. These are the best towels that I have found for detailing. Also here, I just have my squeegee box. So in there, I'll have a couple extra rubbers for my squeegees if they crack. And then for cleaning solution, I just use Dawn, pretty basic. Sometimes I will also throw a little bit of vinegar in there if I need a harder clean. In here also too, I have a ledger. So you can see it has a little bit of an angle. If the window is, it's hard to explain, maybe I'll do another video on it, but it allows me, if the window sill is deep, it allows you to get in there. I also have a 6-inch blade that I use for drying off the window sills when I'm done. You'll notice too that all my squeegees here all have a quick release. So the Mormon, it's hard with one hand, but okay, well that pops up here. I can't do it with one hand, but it pops up. These are a little bit easier, so you could just switch the squeegees if I needed to move, put a different channel on that. And then I'll just keep a couple extra towels in there. And I'll just put the belt on real quickly, and I'll show you why I have everything the way it is. I find it's the best to keep everything super efficient and everything's in hand's reach. So I'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, I got the belt on now. I'm right-handed, so I like to keep my bob, my bucket on the belt on the right-hand side, so I could scrub it, put it in, squeegee. If I need a smaller squeegee, they're here. I keep the blade on the back there. So once again, scrub it in the bob quick, blades off, boom. Towel, as I said, I keep one usually on my shoulder. This is to dry frames, bing, bang, boom. I got my belt here. Maybe I need a little bit more soap on the window. Got my wool, more things. Clean the sills, and then my detailing towel here. So everything is super convenient. It's all where I need it to be. If I misplaced anything or I put anything the wrong way, it kind of discombobulates everything. And for me, this is the best setup that I have come up with. So if anyone has any other suggestions or anything, it's not too heavy. I don't find there's more than enough stuff than I need. And I have everything, so I'm not running back and forth from the truck. So yeah, this is what I use. Like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot more content coming. Stay tuned.